In this video, we'll be replacing the window crank handle on this 1996 Ford F-150. The process will be the same for the passenger side. So your window crank handle will have a cover that you're looking at here. This is actually a cover. You're going to use a small hook tool, and ours has actually been cracked in the past. Because we're replacing it, we're going to use that to our advantage. We're going to come in with our hook tool and pry open and off this cover. Once you have the cover off, you can rotate the cover down and you'll see a screw inside. Now the screw inside will be a T20. Take that out. And now from here, your crank handle will be on a geared fitting here, or a geared tooth here. So just slide that straight off. Our new one is going to go on in the same manner, and it actually has your new screw in the center. So here's your new handle with your cover. You see two tabs. We're going to pop open those tabs. Sometimes a small flat blade screwdriver. It's a lot easier to do this while you're holding it versus in the vehicle. Pop open your tabs. Make sure you don't lose your screw. Rotate that cover over. What we're going to do is take the screw out. On your old handle, I'm going to take off this plastic piece. I'm going to transfer that on to our new handle. And we're going to align our new handle with the geared teeth here and push in. And at this point, if you keep pressure in, you should be able to operate your window. Sometimes what I like to do here is put the window all the way down and then make sure the handle either matches the passenger side in its stopped position, or if you're doing two new ones with your window all the way down, put your handle all the way down. Now from here, put our new screw in and tighten that up. Now before we clip our cover back on, we're going to rotate it over. We're going to operate our window. Make sure everything's good, everything's tight. Make sure the handle doesn't stop in a weird place when the window's either all the way up or all the way down. If you're satisfied with where your handle is, rotate your cover back over. Make sure your screw's nice and tight. Rotate that cover. Give it a little tap in. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.